One FCM to me, it's quite close to my heart, having led the sales function globally for the last 12 years and been involved in so many different sales processes. To me, it's about that consistency that when you meet with us, whether we're in Latin America or whether we're in Asia or anywhere across the world, you're going to get that same feel, that same FCM energy that we talk about, an alternative. It's really picked up by clients so that we get that consistent feedback that they really enjoyed meeting us, and that we've got that kind of same spirit, no matter who you speak to. And I think that's pretty unique in our industry to have that consistency across the globe.
One FCM means to me global consistency, and that's across user experience, technology, reporting, data, and service.
One FCM is such a fantastic mantra because what it means is that we are one company across the world in every location in which we service our customers. So the experience for our clients is going to be the same. There's consistency in our documentation, in our platforms, our online booking tools. So regardless of where you use us, you'll feel that same level of service and that same fantastic technology, regardless of the size of the country or the location.
I really feel that over the past 15 years working for the organisation that I have truly seen this in spirit. I think that we are an organisation that's very diverse. We are part of a big global organisation, but we have very much common goals. We have very much standardised our processes and the way we work with our clients and our suppliers. However, there's that ability to be also very flexible and be agile in these changing times.
One FCM is about consistency, it's about common purpose, about delivering on the same goals across our entire global network.
One FCM to me means global unity. We're one company, we're in nearly 100 countries. We might speak different languages, use different currencies and different technology and systems behind the scenes, but at the end of the day, it's about getting our customers from A to B safely, soundly, and effectively.